Here are mysterious facts about owls that you might not know, and uncover the unique features that set them apart from other birds. Owls have big, charming eyes, but their eyes are full of enigma. With their eyes, they could see the darkness of the night. Owls are silent flyers. Their feathers have special serrations that reduce turbulence, so their flight is silent. Owls are ruthless killers with sharp beaks and strong talons. They will prey on anything they see. Owls have unique calls that vary between species. This call functions to communicate, establish territory, and find mates. Owls with their interesting features and mysterious behavior, making him always in our imagination.